Can you share some examples of how workplace activism is critical to an employee's success?
If you are not thinking like a workplace activist, meaning advocating for the change that you want to see, then you're not in charge of the change that's going to happen around you. So you can either be part of the change and shape the change, or you can be a consequence of the change and be shaped by the change. So if employees are not constantly looking around and thinking, how can we change our game on this? How can we do this differently? When you do that, you are a very valuable employee over time, because as circumstances change, I can count on you to also change with the circumstances. If you're not doing that, and you're not an advocate for change and waiting to be for change to or avoiding change, then the change may be that we don't need you around here any longer, and you'll find it terminal to your employment. That's how important it is.